Whoa, hey camera. So right now we're up north of the Paw, Manitoba, Canada, up the PAS, Manitoba. So today it is Tuesday, October 14th, 2025, yup. So the time it is 6:03 p.m. Yup, 6:03 p.m. Here's the train yard, yup. And here's the cars, yup. I just wanted to take a video this because, yup. There's HBRY 30002, HBRY 340113. Yup. Here's this car too, HBRY 58617. Yup. And here's a rock crusher car, yup, this blue thing. And it says a dump train on there. Yup. And here's these gravel cars, these rock cars, yup. There's rocks in them too, gravel in them too. Here's these box cars right here, yup, lines of box cars. Can also kind of see the train station from here too, yup. There's the Flin Flon train cars and the more cars over there, yup. There's railway switchers. The south trains go that way and the north trains go that way. Yup, of course, yup. Yup, this is the train yard. Here's the side of town where I'm at. Yup. So the time now it is 6:05 p.m. Yup. So yeah. Skip the video now. See you in the next one. Peace. The guy that likes trains out.